Hi everyone, welcome back to our AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to change notification panel on your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change notification panel of your Android phone, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to download one application from the Play Store, MI Control Center. Select this application and tap to install. After completion of this, tap to open. You can see here dual SIM. Just enable this option, tap to allow. Here you will find accessibility. Tap on accept. Scroll down. Last you can see downloaded apps. Tap on this. Then tap on MI Control Center. Then here you have to enable this option, use MI Control Center. Just enable this option. After enabling, then go back, select the notification, select MI Control Center. Then you have to allow notification access. You have to enable this option. After enabling, your app will be opened. Then you can see the notification panel changed. After doing all the settings, your notification panel will be changed. That's it guys. So in this way you can change notification panel on your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.